Hello my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And on this channel, I'm gonna take down my braid outs and show you maybe like 5 hairstyles you can do with it. Again, this is like my first time doing braid outs in a long time, and I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out. So if you're interested, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Duh. And don't forget to come back to my channel, Locks, for you to love. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take down this satin bonnet. Now, a little backstory of what I did. The night before, I sprayed my hair with my concoction, which is leave-in conditioner, Camille Rose, Hydrate Honey, aloe vera juice, rose water, and I just made sure my hair was a little bit saturated. And then I sectioned my hair into parts. So, yeah. Step 2, I'm going to fix my edges and doctor up the parts that I want to look nice before I take down my hair completely. So, join me. Also, those of you that are wondering, this little part right here, when I stress out, my hair falls out, and it has grown back. The edges of my hair, not the edges, but the sides of my hair were bald, and my hair grew back. So then I have problem areas that are growing back slowly. So I'm gonna show you how I kind of doctor that up. Now, for those areas, I barely put a lot of, usually you can use a color pencil or powder that's similar to your hair color, and I blend in the areas that are a little bit lighter than the rest of my hair. So in those areas, close up, there's hair there, but it's very fine. My hair is fine, so as it grows, it just looks like, I don't even know how to explain that. But so when I wear my hair, when those areas are exposed, I do put a little bit of makeup over it, so it's not that dramatic for my liking. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to take my hair out. One thing I've noticed, I left a piece of hair out. I must have been tired last night or something, because I'm like, how I miss my hair. But I'm about to take out my hair. Okay, so I took out my hair. I actually like it. It's not really that defined, but it's like a loose wavy. And this is a nice hairstyle to do if I want to like moisturize my locks and then take them out the next day. And my hair feels really good. As you can see, I already have my hair in a hairstyle that I liked, so I wanted to put it in that first before I did the braids. And this is your hairstyle number 1. If you want to, you can put this in a ponytail. Style number 2. Style number 3. Style number 4. And style number 5. So those are your hairstyles that you can do. For me, I'm wearing this thing just down the way it is. And then, yeah, I'm happy. If you like this hairstyle, try it out and share your pictures in the comment section below. And if you have any tips or tricks or help to better define your locks in a short amount of time with braids to do a braid out method, then let me know. And don't forget to come back to my channel. Duh. Locks for you to